Welcome to our big bath lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to wash and stay squeaky clean. Look at me go! Cannonball into the bubble tub! Splash! First, let's learn how to wash our hands. Rub them together like this. Next, take the soap and scrub your arms in a big circle. Good job! Wow, Lulu! My hands are totally clean and sparkling now. Look at this bubble beard.
I'm a bubble monster. Roar!
Perfect! Now both of your arms are completely clean and sweet-smelling. Time for a bubble party! Let's make the biggest splash ever! Catch the bubbles before they float away. Pop, pop, pop! Look at my giant soap hat. I am the king of the bathtub. Step 2 is for our feet. Don't forget to wash between your toes. Tickle, tickle! This sponge makes my feet so bubbly and clean. Look at that! Shiny little toes. You are doing a fantastic job! Now for the fun part! Kick your feet up and down to rinse them off. Kick, kick, kick! The water is moving everywhere! This is awesome! Smells so sweet. You are becoming a master of bath time, Tommy. More fun! Let's keep cleaning and playing. Look at all the beautiful colors in these giant bubbles, kids. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Getting clean is the best way to spend the day. Now for the final rinse. Let's pour some fresh water to wash away the suds. Ta-da! I'm completely shiny and clean. Look at me sparkle. Bathing is so easy and fun when we do it together as a team. The last step is to wrap up warm in a big cozy towel. Ah, so soft and warm. I feel fantastic and fresh. We finished the whole routine! Hooray for being clean! Goodbye, everyone! Remember to practice your bath washing every day.
See you next time for more Splish Splash adventures.
Let's all get clean!